Hi there. In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to post a job and pre-employment skill screen candidates with our two products. One, skills-based assessments, and number two, SkillSnaps, which allows you to invite candidates to showcase a portfolio of their work, which leads to faster, more objective hiring decisions. So as an employer, what you would do is you would log in the event that you already have a subscription with CareerGuard, you would log in here. But if you are a new user, you would create a new account and start either on a free trial or one of our paid plans. So as an example, let's create a company. I'm going to call it Tech for Good. Tech Dominic at techforgood.com. Now, the moment that you create an account, you will see you are prompted to create multiple sections: basic information about yourself, a profile picture, company information, and you will see in your dashboard, you can see ATS, which will show you active jobs, applications, who's been shortlisted, interviews scheduled, and you can see further information on who's applied for jobs, tested, passed, interviewed. This will make much more sense in some of our other videos. You can see assessment information. You can see candidate information as well. So candidates who have applied, top performers, and who's completed skills tests. You can post a job. And of course, in your profile, you can invite other members of your team. So maybe other talent acquisition members of staff, recruiters, and other members that would benefit from using the product. You can add more information about the company, because if you're the first user, you will probably be the one that would be designated to set it up. But once you've done that, it doesn't need to be completed again. Now, this is where it gets exciting. So the moment you click post a job, you can start listing different types of jobs. So you could put, for example, sales manager. You could put the location in. I'll just put London for the purpose of this demo. Job type, full-time, experience level, senior. And what you want to do is choose the type of application. Now, this is our main feature. Now, we allow employers to still receive CVs and incorporate a skill assessment, or you can ask for a SkillSnap, which is a digital portfolio of work, which showcases a job seeker's talent beyond the CV, and they can evidence it with work. Assessments, which is just straight tests, and you can set how many tests you want someone to complete. So for the purpose of this video, what I'll do is I'll do CV application, and I will enable the configuration to allow you to set up an assessment. So once you've added a job description and responsibilities and requirements, and you set a deadline, you get prompted to set up an assessment. So let's say you want to assess finance skills, also communication skills, and you also want them to understand how agile related projects work, and the basics on technology and problem solving. The moment you've done that, you can post job and invite candidates to take that test. Now you will see that for the combination of those 5 tests, it will take on average 72 minutes. So you might say that's a bit too long, let me remove some, and you'll start seeing the time actually starts to reduce. Now, the moment you click post job, that's it. Simple and easy. With a few clicks, you can list a job, and anyone that applies on the platform will have to take a skills test. Now, just to go back a page, you can also create your own custom assessments, where you can click create new, and you can browse all of our test library and create tests of your own right here. And you can invite candidates to different types of interviews. So you can say, I don't want someone to take an assessment, I want them to actually submit a SkillSnap. The candidates can apply using their SkillSnap portfolio, and anyone that invites will be submitting a portfolio of work.